Welcome to another video. So if you have Strongblock nodes, you probably already know that it's been a pretty crazy last 72 hours, and I know I had to quickly make this video because the dates in the recent announcements are quickly approaching. Now, nothing I say in this video is financial advice, so please make sure to do your own research before putting your money into any projects. So I'll go ahead and talk about everything that you need to know before the upcoming Stronger upgrade. So before we get started, make sure to smash the like button if you have Strong nodes, if you're interested in Strong, or if you love passive income in general. And let's get into it. So on March 24th, Strongblock posted on their Twitter that they had an announcement about the new token Stronger coming on Tuesday, March 29th. And you can see that right here. So in the upcoming days, everyone in the Strongblock community was very eager for the announcement, and the Discord chat was on fire with everyone wanting to know when the announcement would happen. So finally, on March 29th, sometime later in the day, the announcement was finally dropped. And they did mention some really important dates and developments to be aware of if you are part of the Strongblock community. So we're going to do a really quick overview of the dates and chat a little bit about each of them. So the first is March 29th, and that was this past Tuesday. So we saw the birth of the Stronger token that's going to be used on Strong Chain. So that was a really big development in the project. And they made a reply to this tweet with the token contract. So if we click on this, it takes us to etherscan.io, and we can see all the details about the token. So it has a 10 million max total supply, and there is currently one holder. So if you like, you can go ahead and copy this contract address and add it to your MetaMask, just to make sure that you're dealing with the correct token. So as you can see, this token was born 2 days and 3 hours ago. So we have been awaiting the token Stronger as it was mentioned in the litepaper, and it's finally been born. So Stronger is an ERC20 token, so it was minted on the ETH chain. Now, when Strong Chain launches, Stronger will convert to a native token with ERC20 liquidity, and Ethereum and other L1 and L2 bridges for seamless liquidity and interoperability. So this coming statement right here is really important for the community. So Strong Chain will be a community-owned chain, and the majority of Stronger tokens have been set aside for the community with no additional team and shareholder tokens. So the following is the initial proposed Strong Chain token structure, and a separate Medium post describing the allocation will be published before the conversion. So that's going to be on April 4th. But the birth of the Stronger token is a really big development in the evolution of Strongblock. So a lot of people have been asking how the Stronger token is going to affect the original token Strong. So if we go back to the Strongblock litepaper, we can get an idea of how Stronger is going to affect the original token. So under the topic, the future of Strong, we see here that the introduction of Stronger creates an opportunity for Strong to be used for scarce rewards that will be harder to achieve. So the introduction of Stronger will really lower the sell pressure of Strong, and in turn cause the price to increase. But we should be getting more info on this in the coming Medium article and the AMA. So the second important date is the AMA that's coming up on April 3rd, which is just in a couple of days. So that is going to be this Sunday. I'm recording this on March 31st, so it's right around the corner. So it's going to be in the morning of Sunday at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And I know I'm really excited for this because we haven't had an AMA from Strong since about a month ago. So the last one was on February 19th of 2022. So it's been a while. So I know I'm very excited for this. And I'm definitely going to clear up my Sunday just for this AMA. So make sure to be there because they're going to be answering some really important questions about the protocol. So it's going to be in voice format on their Discord. And if you haven't joined their Discord already, the link is right here on their Twitter profile. So make sure to be there at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So they're going to be answering some pretty important questions. And you can go to their Discord to have an idea on what questions are going to be answered. And they've opened voting up to the public, so you can vote on which questions you want them to answer as well. And you'll find this on their channel called Vote on Questions. So on April 4th, we can look forward to them releasing a Medium article with a lot more details about the token Stronger. But by then, we should have an idea of what's going to happen from the AMA, but the Medium article is going to go into more detail on what's going to happen during the upgrade. Now, on April 5th, the upgrade will begin, and it looks like there is going to be a snapshot of all the wallets that are associated with nodes, staking Strong, anyone holding Strong in a wallet, and NFTs as well. Now, no date has been announced for the snapshot, but just to be safe, it might be really smart to be ready for the snapshot by April 4th. Here's a tweet from Baconesque, and I think he's one of the mods for Strongblock. And he said, for all of those asking, I imagine the snapshot will happen the day before the upgrade, which is on April 4th. So just to be smart, I would say to get ready for the upgrade by April 4th. So you might have already heard, but some steps that you can take to get ready is to have a node, hold Strong in a wallet, have Strong in the pool, or stake it, or have an NFT. So having any of these will set you up to be ready for the upgrade, in addition to everything that's going to be shared in the Medium article and at the AMA. So it looks like we are seeing the evolution of Strong, and things are looking really exciting. Something else that's really exciting that's coming up this Sunday is that Strongblock is going to be celebrating their 16-month anniversary of paying out rewards. And Saul from the Strongblock marketing team mentioned that absolutely no other node projects have come near that. So that's another really exciting thing that we can look forward to this coming Sunday. Something I think is pretty important that I forgot to mention is that there's going to be an Ethereum Service 1 node cap. No details have been released about this, but they should announce when the cap is going to be well ahead of time. It might be smart to create as many Ethereum nodes as you can before that happens. And we should get some more information on this pretty soon, so make sure to be on the lookout for that. So a lot of exciting things have happened within the last few days, like Strong getting listed on Poloniex, and of course the minting of our new token Stronger. Now this is only just the beginning of more things that are going to be rolled out to the community, and as I'm filming this, looks like we just hit 445,000 nodes, and we are just getting started. So if you enjoy this video, make sure to smash the like button, go ahead and turn on the post notifications so that whenever I release a video, YouTube notifies you that I have. And make sure to smash the subscribe button as well if you enjoyed this video. I have a Twitter account right here that I post updates on, so you can check this out. If you want to message me with any questions or just want to chat about anything crypto related, I'll make sure to get back to you as soon as possible because I'm always on here. So we'll see you at the AMA on April 3rd at 8 AM Pacific Standard Time. And if you enjoy this video, you might enjoy the video that's on the screen right now.